Welcome to our online course creator series, where we explore the essential aspects of crafting successful online courses. Today, we are delving into the critical task of identifying your target audience. Understanding who your course is designed for is key to creating content that resonates and delivers value. In this episode, we'll explore some effective strategies for analyzing online communities or forums to gain invaluable insights about your target audience. Analyzing online communities, strategies for insight. Online communities and forums are treasure troves of information, offering a direct window into the minds and behaviors of your potential learners. Let's dive into some effective strategies for harnessing these platforms to gain valuable insights. Stay tuned as we explore further. 1. Identify relevant communities. Finding the right online communities or forums is crucial for gaining insights into your target audience. Start by researching platforms where your audience is likely to gather, such as niche forums, social media groups, or industry-specific communities. Look for places where discussions related to your course topic are active and where members are actively seeking or sharing information. By focusing your efforts on these relevant communities, you ensure that the insights you gather will be directly applicable to your course development process. Additionally, consider the size and activity level of the community, as larger and more active communities may provide a broader range of perspectives and insights. 2. Observe conversations and discussions. Once you've identified relevant communities, spend time observing the discussions and interactions taking place within them. Take note of the topics being discussed, the questions being asked, and the problems or challenges being shared by members. Look for recurring themes or patterns in the discussions, as these can provide valuable insights into the interests and needs of your target audience. Pay attention to the language used by community members, as this can help you better understand their preferences and communication style. By actively listening and observing, you can gain a deeper understanding of your audience's mindset and perspective, which will inform your course development decisions. 3. Engage with the community. Actively participating in online communities allows you to establish a direct connection with your target audience. Engaging in discussions, asking questions, and sharing valuable insights not only helps you build rapport but also provides invaluable opportunities to understand your audience's preferences, challenges, and aspirations firsthand. By contributing to the community conversation, you position yourself as a trusted authority and resource within the group. Moreover, active engagement fosters a sense of community and belonging, encouraging members to share their thoughts and opinions more openly. This interaction provides rich qualitative data that can inform your course content, marketing strategies, and overall approach to engaging with your audience. Additionally, responding to comments, addressing questions, and providing support demonstrates your commitment to meeting the needs of your audience, further strengthening your relationship with them. 4. Conduct surveys or polls. Surveys and polls are effective tools for gathering structured feedback from online communities. Designing surveys that focus on specific aspects of your course topic allows you to gather quantitative data on your audience's preferences, interests, and learning needs. Polls, on the other hand, provide a quick and interactive way to gauge community sentiment or opinions on particular topics. By strategically designing surveys and polls, you can gather insights into what resonates most with your audience, what topics they're most interested in learning about, and what challenges they're facing. Analyzing survey responses and poll results can uncover valuable trends and patterns that inform your course development decisions. Additionally, involving the community in the feedback process fosters a sense of ownership and investment in the course, increasing engagement and buy-in from potential learners. 5. Monitor trends and sentiment. Keeping tabs on trends and sentiment within online communities provides valuable insights into the evolving needs and interests of your target audience. By monitoring discussions, posts, and comments, you can identify emerging topics, shifts in preferences, and changes in sentiment among community members. Pay attention to the language used and the tone of the conversations, as these can provide clues about the overall mood and attitude of the community. Additionally, look for patterns in the types of content or topics that generate the most engagement or discussion. By staying attuned to these trends, you can ensure that your course content remains relevant and aligned with the interests of your audience. Moreover, being aware of shifts in sentiment allows you to address potential concerns or issues proactively, fostering a positive and supportive community environment. 6. Analyze user profiles and demographics. Examining the profiles and demographics of community members provides valuable insights into the characteristics of your target audience. Look for patterns or trends in demographic data such as age, gender, location, occupation, education level, and interests. Understanding the demographic makeup of the community helps you tailor your course content and marketing efforts to better resonate with your audience. For example, if you discover that the majority of community members are young professionals interested in career advancement, you may choose to focus your course content on skills and topics relevant to their professional growth. Additionally, demographic data can inform decisions about course format, pricing, and delivery methods based on the preferences and needs of your audience. Analyzing user profiles and demographics allows you to create a more targeted and personalized learning experience that speaks directly to the interests and aspirations of your audience. 7. Identify influencers or thought leaders. Identifying influencers or thought leaders within online communities provides valuable opportunities for collaboration and partnership. These individuals often have a significant impact on the discussions and opinions of community members and can serve as valuable allies in reaching your target audience. Pay attention to community members who consistently contribute valuable insights, garner high levels of engagement, or have a large following. Engage with these influencers by sharing their content, commenting on their posts, and building relationships with them over time. Collaborating with influencers allows you to tap into their established audience base and credibility, helping you expand your reach and credibility within the community. Additionally, influencers can provide valuable feedback and insights based on their first-hand experience interacting with the community, helping you better understand the needs and preferences of your target audience. By leveraging the influence and expertise of thought leaders, you can amplify your message, increase engagement, and build trust with your audience more effectively. 8. Track keywords and search terms. Monitoring the keywords and search terms used within online communities provides valuable insights into the topics, interests, and needs of your target audience. Pay attention to the keywords and phrases that community members use when discussing relevant topics or asking questions. Look for recurring themes or patterns in the language used, as these can indicate areas of interest or concern among your audience. By tracking keywords and search terms, you can identify popular topics, emerging trends, and common pain points that resonate with your target audience. Additionally, monitoring keywords allows you to stay informed about the language and terminology preferred by your audience, helping you tailor your course content and marketing messages accordingly. By incorporating relevant keywords into your content and marketing efforts, you can improve visibility, attract more qualified leads, and better meet the needs of your audience. 9. Utilize data analytics tools. Data analytics tools provide valuable insights into user engagement, content performance, and audience demographics within online communities. These tools allow you to track metrics such as website traffic, user interactions, and content engagement, providing valuable quantitative data that complements qualitative insights gathered from community interactions. By analyzing data metrics, you can identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement in your course content and marketing strategies. For example, you can track which topics or types of content generate the most engagement, which channels or platforms drive the most traffic, and which audience segments are most responsive to your messaging. This data-driven approach enables you to make informed decisions about where to allocate resources, which strategies to prioritize, and how to optimize your course offerings for maximum impact. Additionally, data analytics tools provide valuable feedback on the effectiveness of your efforts, helping you measure progress towards your goals and refine your approach over time. 10. Stay engaged and responsive. Maintaining an ongoing presence within online communities and being responsive to feedback and inquiries from members is essential for building trust and credibility. Actively engage with community members by responding to comments, addressing questions, and providing support where needed. By demonstrating your commitment to meeting the needs of your audience, you foster a sense of trust and loyalty that encourages continued engagement and participation. Additionally, staying responsive allows you to gather valuable feedback, address concerns, and identify areas for improvement in your course content and marketing efforts. By listening to the feedback and input of community members, you demonstrate that you value their opinions and are committed to delivering a high-quality learning experience. This proactive approach not only strengthens your relationship with your audience but also ensures that your course offerings remain relevant and responsive to their needs over time. By carefully examining the conversations, discussions, and interactions within online communities, you can uncover valuable insights into the interests, preferences, and challenges of your target audience. Observing the topics being discussed, the questions being asked, and the problems being shared can provide invaluable clues about what matters most to your audience. Join us as we delve into some proven strategies for effectively analyzing online communities and forums to gain a deeper understanding of your target audience. Don't forget to subscribe now for more insights. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on creating successful online courses.